Welcome to this video on how to make restaurant-style Dal Makhani at home. Dal Makhani is a popular North Indian dish made with black lentils, kidney beans, and cream. It's a rich and creamy dish that's perfect for special occasions or when you want to impress your guests. In this video, we'll show you how to make this delicious dish at home. So let's get started. Ingredients for the dal. 1. 1 cup black lentils, urad dal. 2. 1/4 cup kidney beans, rajma. 3. 4 cups water. 4. 1 teaspoon salt. 5. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Ingredients for the gravy. 1. 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter. 2. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 3. 1 onion, finely chopped. 4. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 5. 2 green chilies, slit. 6. 2 tomatoes, pureed. 7. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 8. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 9. Half a teaspoon garam masala powder. 10. Half a teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi. 11. Salt, to taste. 12. 1/2 cup cream. 13. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped. Instructions. 1. Soak the black lentils and kidney beans in water overnight or for at least 8 hours. 2. Drain the water and rinse the lentils and beans. 3. In a pressure cooker, add the lentils, beans, water, salt, and turmeric powder. 3. Close the lid and pressure cook for 10 to 12 whistles or until the lentils and beans are soft and mushy. 4. In a separate pan, heat ghee over medium heat. 4. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. 5. Add finely chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, and green chilies. 5. Saute until the onions turn golden brown. 6. Add tomato puree and cook until the oil separates from the mixture. 7. Add red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, dried fenugreek leaves, and salt to taste. 7. Mix well and cook for a minute. 8. Add the cooked dal to the gravy and mix well. 8. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. 9. Add cream and mix well. 9. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. 10. Garnish with chopped fresh coriander leaves. Your restaurant-style Dal Makhani is now ready to serve. Making restaurant-style Dal Makhani at home is easy if you follow this recipe. You can adjust the spice levels according to your preference. Serve it hot with steamed rice or naan bread. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please let us know in the comments if you try this recipe and how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.